What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the freaking channel. My name is David Cantero with InspiredDigital.com, where I drop daily videos on social media marketing, affiliate marketing, and making money online. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the bell for notifications, and drop me a comment below. Let me know where you guys are coming from. Let me know what type of business you're building online, and let me know how I can bring value to what you got going on. You guys, this right here is super freaking game changing. It's super powerful, man. No matter how in the hell you want to slice it, it's super powerful. Because here's the reality. If you've been following me for a while, you know I'm always talking shit about people out there online that are talking about landing pages and painting the picture as if it's just one page, like as if you're going to get rich and sell 1 million products with one single landing page. It's like, dude, that can't be further than the truth. Like, that is not the truth at all. Like, there's so much that goes into the back end of a funnel, or the back end of even a simple landing page. And so what I love about Kartra is that, first of all, when it comes to the landing pages, like if you come to my pages over here on the left, first of all, there's tons and tons of templates that are already done for you. So you can come in here and design a freaking landing page from scratch, or a sales page, or a website. You can do one from scratch. Like, you can go to blank canvas and do one from freaking scratch. But it's always good to have a template. It's always good to have some type of example. So in here, when you go to squeeze pages, there's so many different templates that you can choose from. All you do is select it, open it up, and that's when you can change the text, you can change the colors, you can change the freaking buttons, all of that stuff. But the fact is that the template is already proven to convert. It's already a high converting template. So all you have to do is edit your text, maybe add your video. If you have a video, add your images, of course. But it's simply just cut and paste. Like, there's nothing else to it but to freaking do it. Like, seriously, because they're already done for you. And this is just in the simple squeeze page alone. Look at all them damn examples, all them templates that you can grab. Video sales pages, same thing. All these different pages that consist of having a video on the front page. So many thank you pages. As I talked about in my video yesterday, if you're taking me to a landing page and I'm entering my name and email, where do I go next? I go to a thank you page. So many different examples of thank you pages where you just simply select and upload it into your category. But there's so many, man. Long sales pages, coming soon, product launch, product review, so many. So not only does that make your job 1 million times easier to create simple landing pages that convert, but when you come over here and you click on my campaigns, what you don't realize is that there's so much that goes in on the back end. The list, the email sequences, the freaking tags, the just different autoresponders. So much that goes into the actual funnel of the entire campaign. So when you click on my campaigns to the left, you can come over here and click on done for you. Here is a handful of a bunch of campaigns that are literally done for you. The tags, the email list, the sequences, the actual emails. All you got to do is go in there and freaking edit the text. So much is already done for you. So this is a masterclass campaign. This is for those that are driving traffic to some type of webinar or some type of presentation. So I can click on play and watch a short video of what exactly is in this entire funnel. Look at this.
Hello, fellow Cartronauts. This is the Masterclass campaign. It's very similar to a webinar campaign, but it doesn't require webinar software. It's also quite similar to an on-demand training, which is what Frank Kern has used very effectively in his marketing. Basically what it does is takes cold traffic, sends it to a registration page that looks kind of like a webinar registration page, and then once they register, they're added to a list and dropped onto the presentation page. On that presentation page, you give your VSL or your masterclass, and then toward the end of it, the call to action pops up below the video. You can set it to appear at the right time. do not finish the masterclass, to reminder sequence, we'll send them back to the presentation page until they do finish it. Once they do, the sequence also offers as a warm-up sequence to give them more information to know, like, and trust you, and also remind them of the offer that was made on this presentation page. That call to action button that is on the presentation page leads to a product checkout page. They can buy your product, and a thank you page afterwards where they can download or otherwise be thanked for their purchase. Very simple yet very effective campaign. Have fun using it.
You guys, and then it shows you right here, you can view the assets of what's actually in it. There's 14 assets, 4 pages, 3 tags, 3 video slots, your email list, your email sequence, as well as the emails that are written in the email sequence. That's crazy. That saves you so much time. All you got to do is go in there and edit and put your own text. A product checkout, and then the form, okay? 14 assets is what they call them. There's one for eShop campaign, a catalog page for all your products in one place, including follow-up emails. 21 assets in there, a quick launch. This is Frank Kern's famous double tap funnel. So there's that one, a simple list builder, a 4-day cash machine, which I've made a ton of money using the 4-day cash machine. Let's say, for example, you have, let's say you're selling something. You're selling a digital product. You're selling a book. You're selling an online course. You're selling any kind of digital product. Even if, to tell you the truth, even a physical product would work, because this 4-day cash machine is an email follow-up. So in the next 4 days, that person is going to get an email with a countdown clock, creating urgency to get that person to go back and purchase the thing, whatever you offered them. That is powerful, man. That's an email sequence that goes out for 4 days that's already written for you. It's already written for you. Everything is already in place. All you do is edit and put in your text. And then the book funnel. This book funnel is what's made me a ton of money this year. The book funnel, and it was already done for you. This is Frank Kern's famous book funnel, and you can just simply come in here, click on the 3 lines, deploy, and you'll have the entire campaign. There's 18 assets in it. So if you view the assets, 7 pages, 4 tags, 4 products, a list, 2 lists, and a sequence. You guys, you know how long it'll take you to set up all that yourself? Now you have the entire model and the actual blueprint, and all you got to do is go in there and edit the text. These are done for you campaigns, you guys, that you can come in and save yourself a freaking ton of time trying to do all that stuff yourself, okay? It's already there. Plug it in, play it, edit the text, and you guys could be off to selling stuff online or building a huge email list with one of these simple list builders. All right, you guys, so again, man, set up your 14-day trial, come in here, click on My Campaigns to the left, and then click on Done for You. And you'll see all these, and all you gotta do is click on the 3 lines and deploy it, or you can just simply watch the video to see if that's even the campaign that you wanna work with, and then go from there. All right, you guys, so link is in the description. 14-day trial, profit with Kartra online. I'll see you guys on the next video. Over and out.